Hey everybody, it's Retro Cave 123. Hey, this is just a quick video talk about me, what I'm doing and what I plan to do. I plan to do reviews in the future, create some awesome products to be able to use your Nintendo 64, your Dreamcast and Super Nintendo and Sega Saturn through my own created HDMI kits. Now, this is my gaming room. My pride and joy, my beauty, my love, my passion. Feel my passion. Alright, I've lost it a bit there. But yeah, this is basically my getaway, my little retro cave. Come here, play a lot of games. Sometimes I just sit here and stare at this beauty. And as you can see, I'm a massive Sega fan. Sega! As I grew up, I was about, let's say, 11. And my mother first bought me my Mega Drive 2. Came in a 6-in-1 box. Unfortunately, I don't have that box. But everything after that, I did seem to keep, which was my NES action set, my Tool Master System, Sonic and Alex Kidd version, Mega Drive 1, Sega! Sorry, it's addictive. My Mega CD, which is awesome fun. As you can see, I've got the Mega CD 1 in the console, and I've got all my games hidden back there. It's worth a lot of money. Shh, between me and you. Anyways, so yeah, just want to throw a quick video. A lot of things to come. A lot of love, a lot of feel my passion. Sorry about that. Yeah, so this channel hopefully become interested, educational, a lot of information to share. I'm gonna start an eBay account, RetroCave123. I'll be selling some awesome great products, upgrades, modifications, this. Please pay attention. I will put it in the description. I haven't uploaded my listings, so I will have an Instagram. Just some photos and some little insights and, you know, gameplay, I should say. Talk about my favorite games, how I came across all this and why I decided to collect it and make this my passion. But anyways, just a quick video, not making much sense, but please subscribe, please put some comments of what you think of my reviews, and I will give a good game review, story, and yeah.